I'm going to be taking my CSNails product in the color Thunderbird, very pretty mint green. Then I'm going to be going in with IGel Beauty in the color Ocean of Treasure, very pretty chunky glitter. And then my Mia's Secret Cover Beige. Hey guys, it's been a hot minute. Your girl has been knocked up with baby number 6. She is actually 7 weeks old today or Monday. 7 weeks, yeah, 7. I had to think about that. Anywho, so I thought I'd start off coming back with some beautiful spring nails, you guys. Spring is here in Georgia. All the insects are flying around and so much pollen. It is ridiculous. But anywho, I am going to ombre my index finger and my pinky finger. And this kind of lime soft pastel green is so perfect for the spring. I'm about to say winter time, but for the spring. And I'm actually going to be using for my middle finger and ring finger some foils, some flower foils I thought would go really pretty for the springtime. I'm going to be using this Makkart Foil Gel. And then the foil flowers are from, I'll have the brand, all of the, everything I have in the video will be in the description. But anywho, you guys, how's you guys' New Year's going so far? Mine has been great, pretty mellow. I'm about to be going off of my maternity leave soon, so it's kind of like bittersweet. I got comfortable with using my free time and, not having to wake up so early and just relaxing around the house. But I do miss, working and, feeling like a grown little lady. But I am going to be using that tool just to scrape off the foil. Look how pretty that foil flowers are. Like, they're perfect. I just feel like it brings out everything that spring has to offer for us. I'm going to be doing a lot more spring sets. I just ordered some other things from Shein, so hopefully they'll be here soon. That way I can create more new things. So here, this acrylic is the Mia's Secrets Cover Beige. Love it. I love that it has those little glitter specks in them. Very soft and subtle. I think it's a beautiful neutral color that will go good with a lot of skin tones, guys. So, and they're very reasonable. You can never go wrong with Mia's Secrets. But anywho, I have to get used to voiceovers, guys. I would do most of my tutorials with just music playing over it. So just talking over the video is going to take some time to get used to. So bear with me. But yeah, I'm excited for the future. My goal this year is to stay consistent with my YouTube channel, because this is something that I've been wanting to do for years now, you guys. When I mean years, I'm talking back in 2012. Can you imagine if I would have just kept up with being consistent? I would have been on YouTube for about between 8 to 10 years maybe. But it's never too late to start. The only thing is just staying true and being consistent, and you'll see growth. So that is my goal this year. What is your goal for 2023? And even if it's not a goal, what if it's something that you're just trying to change or do better at? Or, sorry you guys if you hear little Miss Jalea in the background. She's sleeping. But yeah, what are your goals for this year, or your New Year's resolution, or whatever it is? Leave them in the comments below. I'm curious and wanting to know what they are. And have you been consistent with it? Have you stuck with it? Have you gave up on it after that first month? So I want to know. But yes, this is some pretty mermaid glitter from IGel. I have a few of these and they're really pretty. It's a chunky glitter. This one has a hint of green in it, and I thought it would tie in really well with this set. So yeah, IGel is a reasonable brand as well, kind of like Mia Secret. They're always having like a 60% off sale going on, whether it's Labor Day or springtime. You know, anytime there's some type of holiday going on or just yearly, they always have like a 60% off sale. So if you guys have not yet went onto their website to check them out, you should. I think the quality of their acrylics for beginners is pretty good. You know, you start somewhere, so kind of work your way around things. But for me, these were really good for starters. Look how pretty that is. So I'm just going to sprinkle some around the flowers as well. Now I'm going to be going in and adding some of these cute little flowers. I think that screams springtime as well. The 3D flowers. You can get these on Amazon. I do believe that's where I got mine from. I also ordered some new colors on Shein for really reasonable prices, you guys. I'm talking like $170 for how many colors? Maybe like 2, 4, 6. I want to say 8 colors, and it comes with the little caviar beads as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna pop on some pink ones, green ones, white ones, you know, the same kind of color scheme we got going on right now. And then I'm going to add in a couple little blings, and we are going to top coat her. I'm going to be doing a glossy top this time, and I thought it went really perfect. And this is the finished look, you guys. I thought it came out so cute. Scream spring. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be looking forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Bye.